helping to serve our English language learners, even if you don't speak Spanish. Making subtitles appear. PowerPoint has a feature that will listen to spoken language, translate that language, and write subtitles in a different language in real time during a presentation. This feature works in PowerPoint. If you want to use a Google slide deck you made already, you should download it to your computer, then open it using PowerPoint. When you are in PowerPoint, select Slideshow. Select Always Use Subtitles. Select your spoken language and the language in which you want the subtitles to appear. When you present the slides, you can see the subtitles. You can have them appear at the top or the bottom of the screen. You can record the narration with subtitles using Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify. Good luck! I hope this helps you and your students.